Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Wednesday evening. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We have really lucked out for most of the afternoon and the early evening. Most of the tornadic storms have been off in southern Minnesota, and some more stronger to severe storms off to our northwest, also to our east. And meanwhile, we've been experiencing a mostly sunny but a very humid afternoon and evening. It is going to stay very humid and warm through tonight. Also expecting most of the organized rain and storms to continue in that far northern tier of our viewing area, basically along and north of Highway 18. There is a flood watch there. Some heavy rain could lead to some flash flooding. And also all that green that you see through there, that's the river flood watches that we'll have basically through the weekend and into next week, as we're expecting the river levels to climb with all the rain that we're receiving in and around the area. In fact, when we look at the rainfall potential through the next few days, most of it will fall there in the north. The yellow would be over 3 inches, so maybe 1 to 3 as you go along and north of Highway 18. And for the rest of the area, maybe around 1 inch or so as we go again through the next couple of days. Let's take a look at Futurecast and time out some of the rain for you. From here on out, I would say most of us will be dry overnight. The best chance for any rain or storms is going to be on the northern half of the area, and you can see those kind of scraping across there. Probably a threat for some strong wind gusts with any storms that we see, and of course the heavy rainfall, but really we just continue with that through tonight, kind of on and off there. Most of tomorrow going to be dry and partly cloudy. It's going to be another warm and humid day. And then as the cold front approaches from the west, we're going to see a line of storms beginning to develop around 2 p.m. That will begin to swing through to the east. Now, this may bring a threat for some severe wind gusts and, again, some heavy rainfall. We'll see that continuing through the evening commute. Just about everybody should see that rain. But once it's out, things are looking a lot quieter as we go into the day on Friday, a lot more comfortable, too. Severe thunderstorm threat for tomorrow. Well, it's basically a level 1 out of 5 risk, but I think there will be a chance for it to be a level 2 out of 5 risk, and I'll go with an alert day for tomorrow. So we'll keep a close eye on those wind gusts and the rain. Meanwhile, you look at the humidity level, still very, very humid as we go through tomorrow. Bit of a relief on Friday, and then we're right back to the humidity for Saturday and Sunday. And then we're going to start to talk maybe some more dangerous heat, because highs will be in the 90s. So the heat index close to 100 Saturday and Sunday. At least Saturday, I have an alert day. We'll have to keep an eye on Sunday and how the heat will progress with the storm chances there. But just kind of the way it goes here for late June and into early July. Otherwise, for tonight, looking at lows about the low to mid 70s and the chance for storms in the north. Most of our storm threat for tomorrow will be in the afternoon and evening. Otherwise, highs are about the mid 80s to the low 90s out there. And here's your city-by-city forecast. So as we go through Friday, it looks to be dry for the most part. Maybe some isolated rain in our far southern counties. Highs are in the mid 80s, so it's feeling more comfortable there. And then into the day on Saturday, the temperatures jump right back up, but still dry on Saturday. And then we're back to the elevated storm chances on Sunday, so a big cluster of rain and storms coming through. Then finally getting into more of a pattern of dry weather Monday through Wednesday, and high temperatures look pretty seasonal there, about the mid 80s.